Hello and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we'll draw this model. We'll create this model in FreeCAD using these dimensions. Okay, and this will be a practical exercise, and if you want this drawing and your respective file, you can download on my GrabCAD site. And please, if you like the videos I have made, consider donating to the channel in this link that is appearing below in this video. Thank you. Okay, so now here we create a new document, and here we select Part Design Workbench and create a new body and a new sketch in XY plane. And what we'll draw here is a rectangle, so we select this rounded rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle. And next we have to constrain this rectangle. So first we select this smart constraint, and now these two center points and this origin point. Okay. And now we can see the dimension of this rectangle. Here we have a radius of 10. We have this dimension here 100, and here we have 150. Okay, so here we select this tool and we set a radius of 10 for this arc. And now select this constraint distance and we set the vertical dimension here to 150. Okay, and the horizontal dimension here we set 100. Okay, and next we have to draw these cycles, these 4 cycles. So here we select the cycle tool and we draw this cycle, and next we constrain the diameter of this cycle to 16, this dimension here. Okay, and now we select this cycle here and we go to this clone option. So here we'll make clones of this cycle. Okay, and now we can hide these constraints, and now select the symmetric constraint and we set symmetric constraints here. Okay, and now we can select this vertical constraint, and now this horizontal constraint here. Okay, and next here we'll set this vertical dimension and this horizontal dimension. So here we select this constraint distance tool, and the distance between these two cycles here we'll set 76, and these 2 points here we set 8. And now leave the sketch and press home, and now select this pad tool, and the length of this pad here is 10 millimeters. So here we set OK. And next here we'll draw this part here. So what to do is to select this face and create a new sketch. And here we go to sketch geometries and we select centered rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle in this way. Okay, and now we'll set a length of 40 millimeters for this line here. Okay, and the length of this line here will be 8 millimeters. So we select this line and we set 8, and now leave the sketch and select this pad tool, set reversed, and the length of this pad we can see here is 10 millimeters. So here we set OK, and now select this face here and create a new sketch. And now what we'll do is to draw a cycle, and the diameter of the cycle will be 8 millimeters. So we set 8, and next we'll set this vertical distance 8 millimeters, and now close the sketch. And what we'll do next is to change the attachment of the cycle. Okay, so we'll change the Z duration to 20. Go to model and right click on mouse, and now select attachment editor. And here in the Z direction we set 20 and enter. And now go to the pad tool set reversed, and the length of this pad here will set 100 and enter. So now we get this part, and next we create a new sketch in YZ plane. Okay, and here we'll extract this edge first, and now switch to section view, and what we'll do here is to draw a section for this part here. So here we select this polyline tool and we draw this sketch in this way. So okay, here we have these dimensions here. We have 10 here, we have 10 and 10 millimeters. So first here we'll select escape and select these lines. Okay, and set equal. Okay, so now we have this, and next here select this vertical distance tool, this horizontal distance tool, and set 10 millimeters for this line here. And now we set parallel for these two lines here, and okay, now we have 3 degrees of freedom. Okay, so now here we can see this angle here. So we select this tool and now these two lines, and here we set 125 degrees. Okay, and next here we'll set this distance. Okay, so here we select this tool and we extract this edge here, and now we select this horizontal distance tool, and now these 2 points here, and sorry, here we'll set a distance of 170. Okay, and now we have 1 degree of freedom. Okay, so first here we select this line tool, and here we'll draw this line, and next we set this line here to a construction line. So click on this line here, and now we constrain this point in this line here. Select this constraint here. Okay, and now we set symmetric constraint between these 3 points here. Okay, so now we go to, now we leave this sketch here and we go to revolution tool, and here we set this option. Okay, so now we get this and set OK, and now we create a new sketch in YZ plane, and here we select this rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle in this way to remove this part here. So we close now and we go to pocket tool. Here we set symmetric to plane, and now triangle and OK. Okay, so now we have this part, and next we create a new sketch in YZ plane again and switch to section view, and now select this polyline tool and draw the sketch in this way. Okay, and okay, and now we can drag this point here. So okay, now it's okay, and we leave the sketch and we select this pad tool. We set symmetric to plane, and the length here will be 10 millimeters. So we set here, we set okay. So now we have this part here, and what we'll do next is to create this part here, these two parts. So here we go to, here we select the space here and we create a new sketch. Okay, and now we select this tool here and we extract this edge. Okay, and now we select this arc tool and we draw this arc here. Okay, and next we set this arc equal to this arc here, and now we select this. Okay, next here we select this rectangle tool and we draw this rectangle, and now we select this trim tool and we trim this line here. Okay, and next we delete this line. Okay, considering this point in this arc here, and now here we trim this arc and this arc, and now select this fillet tool and we do some fillets in this sketch, and now these two arcs must be equal. Okay, and next here we see a radius of 10 for this arc, so we select this tool here and we set 10 for this arc here, and now select this cycle tool and we draw these two cycles. These two cycles must be equal, and the diameter of these cycles here we can see is 10 millimeters. So we set 10, and here we see this horizontal distance here, so we select this horizontal distance tool and we set 97.5 millimeters. Okay, and now we have 2 degrees of freedom. We can hide these constraints here. So okay, here we have the length of this line here. We select this tool and we set 40 for this line here. Okay, and now we have 1 degree of freedom. So what we'll do here, we select this vertical distance tool and this point here, and now this center point, and we set the half of 40. Okay, so now the sketch is full constrained, and now we'll mirror this sketch. So here we select this sketch and now this vertical line, and we select this tool here, and as you can see now we have this. Okay, and now let's try to constrain this sketch here. So we select these two arcs and we set equal. Okay, and these 2 points must be constant. Okay, and these 2 lines here must be equal. Okay, and what is missing now? And now we select these 2 points and we set horizontal constraint. Okay, and now we select these 2 lines here and we set equal. And now this sketch is full constrained, so we leave this sketch here and we go to the pad tool. And the length of this pad here will be 10 millimeters. Okay, and here we set reverse it and okay. And now here we have to do this fillet operation. So here we will select this edge. Okay, and we go to the fillet tool and we change the fillet to 15. And now clicking this add button and we add this edge. And okay, now set okay. And now we have this, and next we have to create this wall here. So we select this face and we create a new sketch in this face, and here we switch to section view, and next select this external geometry tool and we extract these edges. Okay, and now we draw a cycle in this center point here, and we constrain the diameter of the cycle to, here we have a radius of 12, so the diameter here will be 24. Oh, sorry. The diameter here will be 24. Okay, and now we'll clone this cycle. Okay, and next we'll leave the sketch here and we go to the pocket tool. And here we set through goal. Sorry, go to model, this pocket here. Okay, here we set reverse it. And okay. Okay, so now we have this part here, and what we'll do next is to create this fillet here, and next this wall here. Okay, so we select this face here and we go to the fillet tool and we change the radius to 5 millimeters, and okay. And next we select this face here and we go to this wall tool, and the diameter here we'll set 55, and here we set through wall and okay. So now we have this wall here, and next we'll create this. Next here we'll create these two pockets. Okay, so here we go to the curves workbench, and what we'll do here, first here we select this face and we go to this tool here, we select sketch on surface. Okay, and now clicking this arrow here, clicking this arrow, and now spacebar to make this sketch visible, and now double click here. Okay, and as you can see here we have this rectangle. Okay, let's hide these constraints here. Okay, and here we'll draw this rounded rectangle here. So we select this tool here and we draw this rectangle in this way. Okay, and next we set a radius of 5 for this arc here. Okay, and now we select this constraint distance, and here we'll set a vertical dimension of 65. Okay, and the horizontal dimension here is 25. So okay, now we have 2 degrees of freedom. So now we select this tool here and we draw a point here, and next we select this match constraint, and now we select this point and this point, and now this point here, and now we select this point and this point here, and now this point. Okay, so as you can see now this sketch is full constrained, so we leave this sketch. And okay, now we select this object here and we go to the thickness, and here we'll set -20. Okay, and we set this option to true. Okay, so now we have this, and next here we go to the part, no, we go to the draft workbench. Okay, and here we have to, we can hide the sketch here. Here we have to select this object here, and now we go to these tools here and we select this option, polar array. Okay, and here we'll select the center point here. Okay, and now we go to, we select this object here, and we change the number here to 2. Okay, and now we change the axis. So here we'll set 1 for the y-axis, okay, and 0 to the z-axis. Okay, and now as you can see, we get these two parts. Okay, it's the same here. So now we go to part workbench. Okay, and what we'll do here is to subtract these objects in this part here. So first here we'll select this body, and next this array object, and we go to this option here and click on this icon, and now we get these cards here. We get these pockets. Okay, and as you can see, now we finished the design of this model. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like in this video. Okay, thank you.